your hands?
Let me try.
When I say cross your fingers, you say?
Good luck.
Good luck. Ready, go? Good luck. If I say snap your fingers, you say?
That was close.
Okay, I got it. I got it. Okay, so cross your fingers. Good luck. Snap your fingers. I got it. All right. And you know, elementary, kindergarten, we always have like, okay, do this. Oh, I see. Want to do this?
Oh, I see.
And do this. Go for it. Do this. Go for it. Okay, let's do it all from the beginning. Thumbs up.
Good job.
Not too hit. That's right. All right. Now okay. Trying to do what? This one. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm just doing some kind of maybe abbreviations now. All right. Let's say one more time. Thumbs up.
Good job.
Not your head. That's right. Shake your head. I don't know. Shrug your shoulders.
I don't care.